Hello children. So in the last class we had discussed the series, isn't it, types of series and all, individual series, frequency series. So today we will discuss some topics which will help you to do the practicals of these chapters, okay, of this chapter, this organization of data. Okay, so the practical of this chapter is very easy, very simple, because you all did earlier also this type of questions, tally marks, frequency and all, isn't it? So the topics, that is the terms which is necessary for the practicals, that only I am explaining in this video. Okay, so in the last class we had already discussed discrete series, isn't it? So in discrete series, see how we will calculate it. It is given that total number of students, this is just an example to show you. Okay, so here total number of students 20 it is given, and marks, what are the marks they obtained. Now how you will arrange this? So marks you can see here, out of 20 students, okay, that is 20 students are there, and marks you can see 15, 11, 12, 18, 15, 16, these are the marks they got. Now how we will arrange it is, you know, the lowest marks in this group is 10 and the highest one is 19. Okay, so here we will write marks just as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, so these are the marks 10 to 19. Okay, now tally marks. So tally marks you all know how to do it, tally marks. So 10. Okay, so how you will do it, you can just calculate from here, you can start it. See 15 it is given, so in 15 1 tally marks, then 11, 11 में 1, 12 1, 18 1, 15 again 1, okay, 15, then 16 1, 17 1, 19 1, 12 again one more, 13 1, 14 1, then 10 1, 12 again 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 11 and 10. So these are the tally marks. Okay, now with the help of this tally marks you can write the frequency. So here 2 it is given, so 2, then again 2, 3 1 1, then 3 2 2 2 2. Okay, so these are the frequencies, isn't it? Now just you add this. Okay, this frequency you will add it. When you will add it, you will be getting 20, that is 20 students. So this is how you will calculate. Okay, that is marks are there here, discrete series, marks will be given and repeatedly marks will be given. So that repeatedly marks will be, you have to arrange it in tally marks, and then you will be writing frequency and the total of frequency. Okay, and tally marks, I hope everybody knows that in tally marks how we are doing 1 2 3 4, and the fifth one is just we will cut it from here. Yes, so this is about discrete series. Now bacha comes frequency distribution. Okay, frequency distribution means range. Okay, range, that is upper limit, lower limit. Okay, this is, that is class interval we can say. Okay, lower limit and upper limit, lower limit and upper limit. So here here also just we will, for example you can take it, see class interval 10 to 15, 15 to 20, okay, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Okay, so 10 to 15, 15 to 20, here you will be giving, and then you will be given a tally marks you have to take out. This is just I am doing it, okay, randomly I am taking it, tally marks. So 10 to 15 we can suppose it as 5 it is given. Okay, then 15 to 20 3 दिया है. Okay, 20 to 25 5 दिया है. 25 to 30 we can take it as 2, here we can take it as 4, here we can take it as 6. Okay, so these are your tally marks, and on the basis of tally marks your frequency will be 5 3 5 2 4 and 6. Now just you add all this, okay, whatever it is, 25. Okay, so this is the frequency distribution, that is in this range will be given to you, that is lower limit and upper limit will be there. Okay, so this is your frequency distribution. So I hope it is clear how to calculate this too if the question it is given. Yes. Now comes types of frequency distribution. So types of frequency distribution, 5 are there: exclusive, inclusive, open end, cumulative and mid value. So in the last class I think exclusive and inclusive we had already discussed, isn't it? So in exclusive, what it is there? Exclusive. See, in exclusive class interval, lower limit will be there, lower limit and upper limit. Okay, lower limit and upper limit, that is they both will be same. Same means not in the first interval only. Okay, see how I'll show you. See, class interval. Okay, in class interval, if it is given 10 to 15, 15 to 20, okay, 20 to 25, 30 to 35, this is your class interval given. So in exclusive, what happens? See, the first lower limit and the first one upper limit and the next one's lower limit, this both will be same. This we had discussed in the last class, isn't it? कि फर्स्ट वाले का अपर लिमिट और सेकेंड वाले का लोअर लिमिट जो है वो सेम होता है. और हियर वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, दैट इज इन दिस क्लास इंटरवल वी विल नॉट, दैट इज वी विल एक्सक्लूड द अपर लिमिट. एक्सक्लूसिव में क्या है, अपर लिमिट को हम एक्सक्लूड करते हैं. वाई अपर लिमिट? दैट इज सी, इफ 10 to 15 का इंटरवल कितना है, 10 to 15 in random, if we say 10 to 15 5 का है, isn't it? So how we are concluding it that it is of 5, that is exclusive में क्या करना है आपको, 10 to 15 के बीच का सिर्फ 10, 11, 12, 13 और 14 लेना है. 15 को आप इस इंटरवल में इंक्लूड नहीं करोगे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज. एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज में जो अपर लिमिट होता है उसको हम एक्सक्लूड करेंगे, इसको उसमें हम लोग इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. ओके, दैट इज द लास्ट नंबर है अपर लिमिट, उस अपर लिमिट को एक्सक्लूड करेंगे, इसमें ऐड नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज योर एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज. एंड इन इंक्लूसिव सीरीज व्हाट हैपेंड, इंक्लूसिव सीरीज में भी अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट है. यस, और इंक्लूसिव सीरीज में अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट बोथ आर इंक्लूडेड. ओके, अपर लिमिट एंड lower limit both are included, both are included. Okay, in exclusive what we are doing, we are excluding the upper limit. upper limit को हम exclude करेंगे. ओके, एंड इन इंक्लूसिव में अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट दोनों को इंक्लूड करना है. ओके, सो हियर इफ इट इज गिवन, इफ द क्लास इंटरवल जो है वो 10 to 14 है, 15 to 19 है, 20 to 24 है. सो हियर कंटिन्यूस में नहीं दिए. कंटिन्यूस मीन्स सेम नहीं होगा लोअर लिमिट एंड अपर लिमिट इन इंक्लूसिव सीरीज. बट इन एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज यू कैन सी फर्स्ट का अपर लिमिट और सेकेंड का लोअर लिमिट सेम होगा. इंक्लूसिव में फर्स्ट का अपर लिमिट और सेकेंड का लोअर लिमिट सेम नहीं है, जस्ट उसके आगे का नंबर होगा. ओके, सो हियर 10 to 14 है, तो इस 10 to 14 में हम दोनों ही इंक्लूड करेंगे. 10 को भी इंक्लूड करेंगे, 14 को भी इंक्लूड करेंगे. ओके, सो 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. सो दिस इज योर इंक्लूसिव सीरीज. सो द ओनली डिफरेंस इज कि एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज में हम अपर लिमिट को एक्सक्लूड करेंगे और इंक्लूसिव सीरीज में हम पूरे को इंक्लूड करेंगे 10 to 14. और एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज में व्हाट इज देयर कि फर्स्ट का अपर लिमिट एंड सेकेंड का लोअर लिमिट बोथ विल बी सेम. एंड हियर इन इंक्लूसिव फर्स्ट का अपर लिमिट एंड सेकेंड का लोअर लिमिट इज नॉट सेम, one step ahead, it is one step ahead. Okay, so I hope this exclusive and inclusive both are clear to you, isn't it? Now next is, if we convert inclusive into exclusive, how we will do it? See, this is your inclusive series, 10 to 14, then 15 to 19, okay, 20 to 24, this is your inclusive series. Now you have to convert this inclusive series into एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज. ओके, इंक्लूसिव को एक्सक्लूसिव में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो हाउ यू विल डू इट, दैट इज what happened, you have to do -5 and +5, sorry minus, that is 0.5 और 0.5 को minus plus करना है. How? 0.5 you have to minus it from lower limit, subtract it from lower limit 0.5, और 0.5 जो upper limit है उसमें you will be adding it to convert. To convert, what you have to do is 0.5 subtract from lower limit, 0.5 add to upper limit. Okay, how you will do it? See, 10 it is given, so this is your lower limit. तो इस lower limit में से subtract 0.5, you will be getting 9.5. yes, और इस 14 में आप 0.5 add करोगे, so you will be getting 14.5. so ये inclusive था, अब ये exclusive में कैसे होगा? अब देखो 15 है, 15 को आप 0.5 माइनस करो, you will be getting 14.5. then 19 में आप 5 को add करो, you will be getting 19.5. now again, if from 20 you will be subtracting 0.5, so you will be getting 19.5, and here 24.5. so this is your exclusive series, isn't it? so ये inclusive था, इसमें आपने convert किया exclusive में. I hope it is clear. Simple, you have to just subtract 0.5 from lower limit and just add 0.5 to upper limit. Then what happened? You had converted inclusive to exclusive series. Okay, so this is about inclusive and exclusive series. Now comes open end. Okay, open end series. Now comes open end. Okay, open end series. So in open end series, what happened? Lower limit and upper limit we don't know. We have to find out lower limit and upper limit. Only one end is shown here, that is less than and more than. ओके, एक ही एंड इसमें बताता है, लोअर लिमिट अपर लिमिट करके नहीं बताएगा इसमें. दिस इज योर ओपन एंड. दैट इज आपको क्लास इंटरवल कैसा दिया रहेगा? इट विल बी लेस देन 10, ओके, देन लेस देन 20, ओके, लेस देन 30, लेस देन 40, ऐसा दिया रहेगा ओपन एंड में. और एल्स मोर देन में रहेगा मोर देन 10, okay, then more than 20, more than 30, more than 40. in this way they will be continued. so this is your open end series. okay, less than or more than form में दिया रहेगा. then next comes cumulative frequency. okay, cumulative frequency, your fourth one is. so in cumulative frequency